Hello guys. Today I am going to upgrade RAM card HP 460 G11 notebook PC. Follow the steps. Remove back cover all screws. Follow the steps. Now you can remove the back cover. Here the RAM card protector cover. Need to remove this. Now you can replace or upgrade your RAM card. This laptop RAM card type DDR5 8GB. After replacing or upgrading the RAM card, you can close the RAM card protector cover. Close the back cover. Follow the steps. Installing before we removed all screws. Follow the steps. Please check around the laptop cover fits or not. Now you can check the video.